Still tired? Go back to sleep? It's time to wake up. What are you looking for? Are you tickling Ethan? Oh, tickle his feet. Hi guys, quick little video before we check out of our apartment here in Lucerne. So this is the entry area, the door. We have stairs coming up to the apartment. This apartment was really nice. Really nice surprise. Great location. We've got 2 bedrooms. We got the, I think it can be considered the larger, the main bedroom here. Plenty of storage. There's a bathroom, storage, lots of storage, bathtub. Really like the views here. A lot of light, very bright. So we were here just a couple nights. You got to be a little careful with some of these posts because we're right here at the top of the building. Got the kitchen, refrigerator, dishwasher, everything you need. Dining area, living room area here, sitting area. There's 2 more futons, sofas, beds that can be used for additional sleeping. TV. The views also are just awesome. Look at the location. Great area. The main train station is just 7-8 minute walk to the left there. We got additional bedroom here. Again, lots of lighting, lots of storage. Room for a couple more to sleep here. Then we have a great outdoor patio here. Again with some great views. Beautiful view of the church here. This wakes us up at, I believe it's this one or the other one, I can't tell, but 6:45 every morning the bells go off. So again, if you're looking for a place in Lucerne and you've got a larger group, I'll put the details for this apartment in the description of this video. They have a wide range of apartments from studios to 1 and 2 bedrooms like this. So again, check it out if you're in this area. If you're coming to Lucerne, it's a beautiful, beautiful spot. And then probably my favorite view is from right here. In the mornings, you wake up and you've got just some beautiful views looking out to the city. Hope everybody's having a great day, and we'll talk to you later. I should add that it's a little confusing finding your apartment. So the apartment actually has the key, has the name of the apartment. So like we were in Sun 4, and they do have an elevator. The elevator was very sufficient, and they do have washer dryers here that you can use. I'm taking the stairs down, but the elevator wasn't large, but it was enough to put our bags in one person in to make it a little easier to go upstairs. Hold the door, Ethan, hold the door. Here's our...
Oh, one more suitcase, one more suitcase. Oh, we should put the...
Okay, someone squeeze in there.
Yeah, I can. Wait, hold it.
Okay, we'll meet you at the bottom, okay?
No, but hurry. It opens from there.
Okay, I'll be right there. So here's the front. There's a little back alleyway to access the apartment. There's also another entrance down by the river, but this is a hit rental, and that's the address, 9 Brenda Gasly. Did you like this apartment? Mm-hmm. It was good? Comfortable? Yeah. All right, I'll see you in a minute. We'll be downstairs waiting for you?
Yeah.
Okay. This is just outside the apartment. There's the building. Did you guys like that last apartment?
Yeah. This one?
Yeah, it was good, no?